There are many ways to break the shell of walnuts from the tree. You need to remove the green skin of the walnut and then clean. Clean walnuts need to be dried by drying the water of the walnut. Natural drying method. Place the walnuts in a ventilated place to dry naturally. After about a week, the shell will become dry and easy to peel. Dry walnuts through the walnut vibrating screen to screen clean dry shell walnuts. Sifted dry walnuts through the classifier to separate out the high-quality walnuts. If you need to screen more accurately, you need a color sorting machine. But the price of the color sorting machine is high. But you can better screen walnuts. The selected walnuts are cracked by the walnut shell breaker, and the cracked walnuts are separated from the shell kernel by the shell kernel separator. The rate of 2 ways of breaking the shell of walnut has a great relationship with the variety of walnut. The in-shell walnut is higher than the rate of 2 ways of hard-shell walnut. And hard-shell walnut has a lot of shell sandwich phenomenon. Shell sandwich is difficult to deal with. 2 hard shells are triangular style walnut sandwich inside.